Anna, hey, so I wanted to recap what we did the other day. So there's three different components to what we're going to touch on, the various portions of the exercises that we worked on. So the first of which was the burpee, the 7 minutes of burpees. We did a really pretty extensive warm-up, and then we went right into our 7 minutes of burpees. With the 7 minutes of burpees, what you're looking for is a nice wide base in the burpee and just trying to keep that constant momentum, and really it's going to be more of an endurance type workout. I know it's a short duration, but as you can see, even from differences in the form here, this is what I want to show you. Here's narrow stance to wide, and here's wide to wide. Again, narrow to wide and wide to wide. I find that the wide to wide is much easier. It's faster to cycle those over. The other option you can do is dropping straight into your knees, coming up here to here, as opposed to a straight plank here, here, and up. So 7 minutes continuous running clock, as many reps of that as you can do in that 7-minute duration. Let's head on over to the tree here. I'm going to show you a bit of a different exercise we did with the jumping pull-ups. So here I'm pretty extended out. I'm going to do my best to display this, but my arms don't have a lot of give because it's a pretty high limb. So what you're looking for is maybe a limb that's a little lower than this, so that you can use more of your legs to give yourself assistance to get up and over the tree limb or the bar, wherever you're at. So what I'm going to be doing here is using my feet, jumping and pulling, okay? And with what we did, I gave you 100 reps of the jumping pull-up, and from what we had talked about, that was actually more challenging than 7 minutes of consistent burpees. The third portion of what we did was back over on some sort of platform or step. Right here, I'll just use the cooler. And what you're looking for in the midst of this is that tap and go. This is pretty high, so you're just trying to stay quick with your feet. Tap, 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 tap. And what this is, it's fast twitch, it's cardiovascular. 20 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds rest. You can plug that into your Tabata timer. So that's going to be a total of 4 minutes on the Tabata timer, 8 rounds, 20-10, 20-10, 20-10. That's the recap of what we touched on. A lot of those things, the exercises we did do, can be all used with the Tabata timer. So if you have 12 minutes, that's 3 cycles of the Tabata timer, starting it, completing it, resetting it, and so on. Great job, and just bless you. I bless your workouts and the season you're in. You're doing so well. Have a great one.